Hi, it's JunkJournalingJenn and I'm back. At the beginning of the month of January, there was a lady that put up a post that she wanted to send a whole bunch of, well, 3 women papers. So I had put up my post at the last second and she decided to send to one more person. So these are the amazing papers that I got from Julie. So thank you so much, Julie. So it looks like I have a piece of music paper here. Love it. Oh, there's 2. Oh, and it's really old, you could tell. How fun. When we were messaging, she was telling me how she works for a bookstore, or runs a bookstore. So that was pretty cool. I was like, oh, she probably has access to all kinds of stuff. Look at this cool tissue paper. Isn't that fun? And then we got some just papers here, little scraps, sticker. But I wanted to be able to use these in my dailies now. Lots of black and white, which is really cool for the first of the year, and neutral. Look at this heart. Isn't that cool? Little piece of blue felt. So these are all the little papers here. Isn't that fun just to send to somebody? I think I'm going to do this myself because it's just fun. She doesn't have a channel or anything. She makes these exquisite little boxes. And then look at these. Look how cool that is, this little cutout. Isn't that fun? And there's another one. So there's the tissue. Another piece of paper there. Look at those flowers. Love that. Love that. Some more little book pages. Isn't that fun? Pages of magazine. Laminating. This is just to laminate. So that's pretty cool. Look at that. It almost makes your eyes hurt. Love that. So cool. Some nice papers. So I just wanted to show that real quick. Isn't that cool? So I can put these into my daily journaling stash. Yay. All right. So I wanted to show you those little papers that I got. And then I also got another package from my aunt. And I'm going to open that real quick. Okay. This is from my aunt. So during the Christmas time, you may have seen those little rings that I had on the journals and you pull the bows through. So she made some. So let's check them out. Oh, how cool. Fun. Aren't those cool? And you just pull the ribbon through and then tie off your journal. Wow. So fun. All different colors. Look at all these colors. Amazing. These will go with some journals that I have now too. But I think it's just, those are nice. Those are really nice. Look at that. How fun are those? That's perfect for Christmas. And then the gray. Love that. The green. Cool. What else did she send me? Oh, she sent me paper. I love it. Bow bunny. Look at that. Oh, I love those scissors. All those shears. Look at those. Those are cool. Roses. How fun is that? Thank you, Auntie. I appreciate you. Yay. So those are all my goodies, guys. Isn't that cool? Aren't those cool? I can't wait to show you how I use these. So these are all the ones that I have in stock. I will try to, at some point, put these on the website. My goodness. Lots of, but a lot of them are going on books, so fun, huh? Yay. So I wanted to show you guys those. Yay. So I'll be back in a minute. I'm actually packaging up some goodies for an order I'm super excited about. So check that out next. I am putting together an order for Ooh La La Vintage Treasures. And I'm excited. And we're also going to be doing a desk collaboration. So be on the lookout. I'll see you guys soon. Bye.